Holy shit, guys. Holy shit. I'm excited. Hopefully this goes well. And as planned. But what's up, y'all? What's up? How y'all doing? It's Eddie back again with another video. I appreciate you guys for coming back for another video and tuning in for another InZaNe video. I woke up, you know, went to the bathroom, did my thing, brushed my teeth, and I had seen on my story guy had did a wide body kit, and the guy who designed the wide body kit is doing sponsorships and has some spots available, and I know who follow me know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I DM'd them, shot him a DM and be like, yo bro, you still got sponsorship openings? You know, I got a pretty big following on my Instagram, you know, a little YouTube channel going on, and maybe I could possibly help, you know, spread the word or something. And I chopped it up with him just right now on Instagram through DM. Basically, you know, he's basically telling me I got the green light, so I'm gonna actually meet him today at El Monte. He's gonna look at the car, see what's up. Your boy might be sponsored with a wide body kit, full installment and paint, everything. He said it through the DM, and it's gonna be sick, bro. The Camry is about to have a whole different look. It's literally about to look insane. Bro, just think about it. The InZaNe TRD wide bodied. Bro. To be honest, if we get this wide body kit, this will no longer be there because the wide body kit would cover that, and yeah, dent will be no more. It's looking good, carbon fiber glistening, you know what I mean. I just ordered the piece right here so this can stick in, so I just ordered this back piece right now, so that should be coming in a couple days. Now we got to drive to El Monte, and that's like an hour drive from here, so let's get the hell out of here. I just met with the guys who both are doing the wide body kit, and basically, bro, they're just two guys literally trying to start something, and I respect that, and I see their vision. You know, with the whole Camry community being really big, bro, I can see this being something pretty big, and you know, I'm pretty down. We chopped it up. We're gonna finalize things probably tonight, hopefully see how everything goes. He still has to have like a couple more meetings to really get some stuff situated, but bro, my car should be like in the shop within like maybe a month, you know? I don't know, we'll see. But bro, definitely exciting. Met the guys, dope as fuck, and I'm just really rooting on this, bro, because I see their vision and I'm excited as fuck. So we just gonna have to wait and see. But damn, bro, fingers crossed this all goes well, and you know, get the car like in the shop ASAP, bro. Oh shit, bro, it's gonna be dope. Guys, so another news. We have another car show today. I'm at another car show at Elite Tuners, and my car is in the car show once again. I registered it this morning, actually, last minute plans, and decided fucking why not? Let's go get some content. Should be dope. I haven't been to Elite Tuners. It's gonna be my first event there. It's from 4 to 10, so right now it's like 2, and I have to wash my car, but my dad's watching his Hellcat, so I have to wait a little bit right now. Also, another thing, I got a tattoo. Yeah, I got a tattoo right on my leg. Look. Oh, let's see what you guys see. Right there, yeah, I got a tattoo on my leg. If you guys are wondering what that says, it says ASAP. Just kind of like reversed the upside down. The V is an A, but it's upside down. If you guys get it, you know what I mean. Yeah. I wonder what it means. It means always striving and prosper. Huge believer on that. And I just like the way it looks. Alright, hurry up, man. You know, watch my car, dude. So I had to get gas. I'm late. I'm running late. It is 3:36, and yeah, your boy is running really late. We gotta go. I just sold some shoes and got some money on top. Perfect. My dad just sent me a picture on my Apple Watch. We're chilling. Just made some money, and I got some shoes, some new SBs. Ooh, chilling. I'm excited for this car meet, and I gotta go. Also, I had to buy some lotion for my tattoo to keep it nice and like lotioned up. You know what I mean? So it doesn't get too dry and scalpy. So yeah, make sure you guys gotta do it. But yeah, we gotta go. All right, guys, we're here once again. Irwindale Speedway. So here we are, guys. Look at this. Covered in cars right now. I parked way over there. It's like a little over there, not over here. But bro, this is huge. There's a lot going on. All this again. And I don't know if there's races honestly on this one. I just know there's a lot of nice ass fucking builds here, dude. A lot of nice builds, and I'm gonna just basically go around and try to grab as much footage for you guys. We got a nice bagged SC. Okay, I see you. Looking right and nice. Alright, for sure. With the cord next to it. There's a lot of cars. Oh, I guess they are racing. I didn't know they were racing. But a lot of builds, bro. It's so crazy. This is sick. This is fucking sick. Hard. Kia Stinger. Another Kia Stinger over here, backed to the max. Just a lot of dope ass builds, bro. A lot of clean builds. Look at this nice Miata, bro. Even got a heart-shaped steering wheel. Okay. The Nardo gray. I just love that Nardo gray. With the white. And it's a girl's car too. This shit is clean. I like the carbon fiber. Clean, wide body too. Alright. Hero, Honda. More accurate. Like a lot of JDM here, guys. A lot of JDM. Which is dope to see. You know? It's not all muscle, you know? I like this Civic wide body. This is clean. This is really clean. To the carbon fiber hood, but just the inside too. All the carbon fiber detail inside. It's clean. This is clean. Oh hell yeah, this is nice. Sheesh. Bro, this could be the TRD. This could be the TRD soon. Nice Corolla hatch, bro. Bagged. Nice, bro. See, this is what I'm trying to get from my car. All this carbon fiber piece, cover, all that. I need all that. I need that. There's a plug out there, bro. Hook me up, bro. Hook me up. Sponsor me. I got you, dude. I'm out here. I'm out here at car shows. Come on. Here is this off the chain. Look at this shit. Okay. We got the starlights. No, they don't. But this is car. This is hard either way. With the marble setup, airlift. This is nice. This man went into detail. I love it. We got a nice Evo right here. Type R's, FRS's. A lot of JDMs. Ooh, this Lexus, bro, sitting on these baller ass wheels. Oh my god, bro. Look at these wheels, bro. Woo. Emmets, bro. This man is balling with the carbon hood. This is hard. I love that. Nice, simple, clean, bro. Okay, we got a C63 AMG wide body right here. Am I correct or am I tripping? Wrap is just beautiful, bro. Beautiful. The wide body on this. The interior as well, I'm telling you. Woo. Look how mean and aggressive it looks. We can't forget about a mini truck. Come on, y'all. We got a nice hard body right here. Nissan. Nice, got a Toyota TRD right here. Tacoma pickup. Okay, this man got a. Okay, my man is fully loaded. You're not one of these things. Season, bro. This is nice as fuck. This is nice. We got another fellow Camry owner right here, next to Type R, and I love his brakes, bro. He has the drilled rotors. I need those. Oh, that's crazy. They bold. He's just riding on the car. It's dope though. I love the creativity. Everybody's just writing something, drawing on it. Dope. Oh, that Evo. Oh, we gotta go. One out. Just look how beautiful this thing looks. To that desert sand. With the rolling cage. Oh yeah, he's fully loaded. Rims. I like those rims. I really do. But damn, look at this wing. Holy shit. This is just a dream car right here. This is a dream car of mine. I wish to own one day. And we'll hope to see if I can get one day. This is clean right here, bro. Look at this, bro. Oh, this is gorgeous, bro. These men went above and beyond with the Mitsubishi Starion. I don't know if I pronounced that right. I'm sorry. Yeah, homie. Crazy. Rims or wheels. I'm sorry. Before you guys get mad at me. Yo, time out. But yo, this is a dope ass build, bro. Dope ass fucking build. This is clean. That's dope. I found the wide body. I found it. So this is the wide body kit, guys. All right, here it is, live in the flesh. You know, bro, it is not that bad. Okay, I see the one piece here, another piece here, the fender. So we got the rear touches the door towards the back. Okay. I see it, I see it. It's not too wide, but I see it, you know? The front is wider than the back, I think, at least to me. But it looks clean, bro. I'm not gonna cap. This is the company that did the body kit, GL Designs. That's them. They did this wide body kit, and those are the people that I'm talking to get to my wide body kit. So I wanted to take a first glance and see what it looks like. And bro, it looks pretty dope. I'm not gonna cap. So like, these are the people I'm talking to right now. Hopefully the TRD can get this kit, but I did want to come see it firsthand. And yeah, bro, like they cut from here all around. Look, they shaved all that and left that gap right here. See how that's a piece itself? And look how you can see. Yeah, that shit's crazy, bro. It's clean. I fuck with it. We got this nice Lexus, bro. RCF, wide body, bro. This is clean as fuck. We got some wide bodies here, bro. Acura, NSX, Lamborghini, and Ferrari. Come on, bro. Wide body everything, wide body the world. We have a fully carbon fiber GTR R35, bro. What the fuck, bro? This is crazy. Not fully, but basically, bro, besides the doors, this panel, bro, this is almost all carbon fiber. I would probably say 85% of this car is carbon fiber. That is crazy. Look at this, bro. Holy shit.
That's why, like, when I got like halfway through, I'm like, fuck it, I'm already doing this, so like, maybe they'll give me something at the end.
Yes sir. I switched spots with somebody right now because they wanted to part to be in the crew, but damn, I'm next to a FRS and a Supra. I ain't tripping. Toyota gang, Toyota gang. Damn, the lighting is so crazy. The sun's just hitting me. This is the cleanest Supra I've seen. Like, very stock and very clean, like well taken care of. This is probably like one of the rarest things you'll probably see, bro. Like a very clean super stock Supra turbo. This is crazy, bro. Crazy. My battery died on my camera, so I have to use my phone. So I have to vlog with my phone, take it back to 2017 when I first vlogged with my phone. So yeah, we gotta take it back a little bit. So many builds, dude, so many builds all over the place. Met up with a couple Camry owners that I just met today, which was pretty fucking dope. But being out here, seeing everybody, like rows of teams and all that, it looks pretty cool. It makes me want to have a team or join a team, you know? But we'll see, we'll see. But look, so many lights, LED lights going on. There's mucho. There's a lot. Look, everywhere. It's like a rave of cars here.
Pay attention. spokespeople. Yo, my lord! I am.
Yeah, bro. That's crazy, huh? The dude's muffler, I mean, his exhaust tip broke off. But yeah, that is the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I appreciate you guys for tuning in for another video. If you guys did enjoy the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new and join the family. And yeah, like I said, guys, works in the Camry. I'm getting the wide body kit. Went to go see it and was dope. And now we're in the works and it's just crazy. So hopefully everything goes as planned and very well. So then we can just get this car in and we'll see. But this has been your boy Eddie and I'm out.